Hi, in today's video I would like to talk to you about saving money in the shop, specifically drilling holes. So how we drill holes? First of all, there are hole saws. This is a cheap $3 set and belongs in the trash. This is a little better one. It's 60, 50 and 40 millimeter, but each one of them is 10 bucks. This is 10 bucks, this is 10 bucks. So we have 40 bucks here, only 3 sizes. The next one, 70 millimeter, is 15 bucks. And 90 millimeter is 35 bucks. That's expensive for a hobbyist like me. Next, we can drill holes with forstner bits. This is okay set. It's $20. It serves me okay, but the biggest one is 35 millimeters. That's not that big. This one is 40 millimeter, and this one alone was $25. And next one over is $40. That's expensive. Now, how I got around that, I ordered this 3D print templates from 45 to 90 millimeters, and I am pairing it up with this pattern bit. So I made this, and I can clamp this to any surface and just route out the hole I need. I can make indefinitely number of this with this. So this $35 investment is very money saving. This is made by KudOs Wood Design from Osijek. They're great guys. Check their Facebook page in the description. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. Bye.